Sairam children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, doing good at home, taking good care of yourself. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, Sairam, we are good and fine.
Yes, good to hear that. Okay, so are you ready for today's class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And hope you have enjoyed the Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's begin the class with three Omkars, children. So please join your hands. Sairam. Okay, so we are discussing chapter Storm in the Garden, right? So today we'll do the question answers of it as we have discussed new words, we have discussed word meaning and make sentences. So today we'll do question answers. So let me present my screen. So has the screen come, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's begin our class and we'll do question answers, right? So first question was, who was Sunu Sunu? So can you read the answer? And can you tell your own answer to me without reading this? Your own answer. What comes in your mind as we have discussed the lesson? Who was Sunu Sunu?
And Sunu Sunu was a baby snail.
Yes, he was a baby snail. So answer is like that. Sunu Sunu was a snail, right? So you can add baby also if you want to write baby snail. Okay? Okay. So let's see the next question. Who was Sunu Sunu visiting? So read the answer, children. Okay.
Sorry. Sunu Sunu was visiting his friends, the ants.
Yes, Sunu Sunu was visiting his friends, and who was his friend? His friend was
The
the
ants.
ant, right? Okay, let's
Yes.
see the next one. Yeah, question number three. Where were the ants hiding? When storm came, the ants started hiding, right? So they hid? Can you read it?
And the ants were hiding under a flower pot.
Yes, the ants were hiding under a flower pot, right? So we have seen in the
Yes, ma'am.
lesson when we were discussing it, when Sunu Sunu was looking, where are my friends? They had just got disappeared. Then he got to see they are hiding themselves under a pod, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
question four. Did Sunu get wet? So at the end, we have seen in the lesson after a heavy storm, thunderstorm, but Sunu Sunu did not get wet, right? So why?
Yes, ma'am.
You told me the answer yesterday also. I'm asking the same question.
Sunu Sunu did not
Yeah.
get wet because it hid inside the shell.
Yes. So Sunu Sunu did not get wet because it hid inside the shell. Which shell के अंदर छुप गया था? You know it has a hard shell,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. So let's discuss some more questions. Okay. The question number five was, it's up to you, children. These from question number five we have for discussion, but yes, we will write in our notebook also, right? So you
Yes.
will have a writing practice as well as you will have speaking also, right? Speaking practice also. Suppose anybody will ask any general question, so you will be able to answer them, right? So it's a general question. It's a general question. Let's see what it says. So it says, do you go for morning walks? So answer may vary, children. You may write no because nowadays nobody is going anywhere, but it is a general question, right? No, don't consider present situation. आजकल तो हम नहीं जा रहे हैं, but वैसे generally do you go for walk?
Yes, ma'am.
So we should go. So that is why I have written yes. I go for morning walks. I go along with my grandparents. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
suppose if you have any grandparents at your homes, they are residing with you. So what happens? They generally go in the morning, and you also go along with them, right? So you can just write this, or you can write your own answer, whatever you wish to write. Okay. These are from discussion. Okay, the question number 6 is, have you ever seen ants in the garden? So have you ever seen ants? First of all, tell me. Have you
Yes,
ever seen ants? Yes.
black
Have
color
you
ants,
ever
red color ants.
seen red color ants? Okay. So question answer is written here. Yes. I have seen ants in the garden. They move really fast. Yes or no? The red color ones.
Yes, ma'am.
They move really fast. And the black color ants, have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. They are
They
big.
also move really fast. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next question is, this is something you have to observe, children, right? So we have written answer here. Definitely you can write your own, or you can copy this also. But this is for observation. So first see, watch and see where they go and where they carry to their holes. So we are talking about ants here, children. They
Yes.
for ants, because we already mentioned in question number 6. So we have written they here. To watch and see where they go and what they carry to their holes. जो आप चींटियों को आप देखो, सपोज आपके पास अगर कोई छोटा सा गार्डन है आपके घर के आसपास या कहीं भी मिट्टी में भी, क्योंकि इट्स रेनी सीजन, so you can see it anywhere, right? And it's we are staying in a green campus, definitely you will see it. So आपको उनको ऑब्जर्व करना है. You have to see them, where they are going, where from they are coming, and what they are carrying. So generally, what they carry, ants,
Ma'am, they carry food.
they carry food, definitely, right? So let's see the answer, children. They start from the mid. Suppose we have a garden, small garden, so they are coming from main gate. Okay, so they start from the main gate of the garden towards a small hole at the end of the park. Suppose we have some holes at the end of the park or end of the garden. So they are starting from the main gate and coming to the end holes, right? And they carry tiny left out grain particles and move towards their holes. So they are carrying tiny left out grain. What is that? Whatever we eat, sometimes what happens? कहीं भी वो गिर जाता है, राइट? या फिर सपोज आपकी मम्मी ने सफाई की घर की और कचरे को दिया, कचरा वाला लेके गया, उसने भी कहीं डंप किया, राइट? फिर कहीं-कहीं से वो जो लेफ्ट ओवर ग्रेन्स उसको मिलते जाते हैं, वो उठा-उठा के उसको अपने होल्स की तरफ लाती जाती है ना? देखा है आपने?
Ma'am.
So
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
this is big answer, children. But again, this is for observation. You have to observe, right? Then you have to think and write in your own words. You can make it simple also, right?
Yes, ma'am. The ants move in lines, ma'am, one behind the other.
Yes, yes. The ants move in lines. Very good. So and what they have one what we have seen yesterday. They have feelers to feel, to sense their food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
they smell also. That is known as something. It is not coming in my mind right now. So you will learn in bigger classes, higher classes, children. So that they release from their body. Okay. So that smell makes other to follow them, and that's why they are moving in a line. This is a reason behind why they move in a line. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. सो वो स्मेल उनकी बॉडी से वो रिलीज करती हैं, मतलब निकालती हैं, छोड़ती हैं कहना चाहिए, और उसके पीछे एक उनको फॉलो करती रहती हैं और वो एकदम सीधी लाइन बनाती है. देखा है जैसे आप स्कूल में असेंबली हॉल में बनाते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. सो
Yes,
लेट्स डिस्कस, Do you know why you see snails and earthworms after it rains? Sit in a group and discuss. So again, this is a group discussion kind of question, children. But yes, you can think because we are not in school, we are at home. So you have to think in your own, right? So let's discuss now only. Okay. So snails and earthworm. Have you seen earthworms?
मैम
देखा है कभी?
मैम अर्थवर्म्स क्या होते हैं मैम?
अर्थवर्म आपको नहीं पता? ओके। जैसे आप कभी कभी जैसे स्नेक का बेबी जो होता है वैसे दिखता है वो, ठीक है। स्नेक तो आपने देखा है, जनरली फोटो भी देखी है उसकी, आपने टीवी में भी देखा होगा। तो वो उसकी जो बॉडी होती है वो वैसे दिखती है, बट हिंदी में उसे बोलते हैं केचुआ, राइट? एंड इट इज अ फार्मर्स फ्रेंड, इट इज अ फार्मर्स फ्रेंड।
ओके
कैन यू माइक, सम नॉइस इज कमिंग। Okay, yeah, thank you. Yes, so earthworm is known as farmer's friend. Why? Because it is very helpful for farmers. वो सॉइल में अपना कुछ कुछ करता रहता है और उसकी वजह से जो सॉइल है बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है, फर्टाइल बन जाती है, जिससे कि जो क्रॉप्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं, बहुत हेल्दी रहती हैं। तो ये तो हो गया अर्थवॉर्म। क्या आपने देखा है छोटा सा ऐसा स्नेक काइंड ऑफ एनिमल, इंसेक्ट?
यस मैम, केचुआ देखा है।
केचुआ है ना, उसको केचुआ बोलते हैं, क्योंकि जब आप पहली बार देखते हो तो आप बोलते हो स्नेक स्नेक स्नेक, right? You must have said, then your elder brother or sister or your mother or father, they must have told you, no, it's not a snake. It looks like baby snake, but it is a earthworm, right? And they are very friendly. They do not harm anyone. एंड दे आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर फार्मर्स। जो किसान होते हैं, जो खेतों में काम करते हैं, जो फ्लावर्स या वेजिटेबल्स या क्रॉप्स लगाते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है। इसीलिए इस इंसेक्ट्स को कहते हैं फार्मर्स फ्रेंड। ओके, एंड स्नेल तो आपने देख ही लिया अभी लेसन में। तो आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है कभी कि ये हमें व्हाई दे अपीयर आफ्टर रेन ओनली?
नो मैम।
जब बारिश होती है, first you have to observe from the rain. Okay, start thinking from rain. So can you say something?
मैम पता नहीं।
अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके। सपोज जब बारिश होती है तो क्या होता है बारिश में? What is rain? Some drops are coming out from clouds and falling down on earth, on ground. Yes, can you say like this? Can you say? Yes. जब वो अर्थ पे या ग्राउंड पे पड़ती हैं तो क्या होता है, जो अर्थ है वो मिट्टी जो होती है वो गीली हो जाती है। एंड वी नो वी हैव होल्स और सम एंट हिल्स इन ग्राउंड। एनिमल जो होते हैं, बहुत से इंसेक्ट्स वो ग्राउंड के अंदर अपना अपना घर बना के रहते हैं। सिमिलरली दे स्नेल्स एंड दीज अर्थवॉर्म्स, they also they have their homes in under the surface of the earth. Yes or no? So definitely when water will come out, suppose हमारे घर के अंदर पानी आ जाएगा, अगर सपोज कहीं पे रूफ में होल हो गया और पानी, बारिश में पानी आ गया, तो हम क्या करेंगे, बाहर भागेंगे फॉर हेल्प और फॉर समथिंग।
यस मैम।
यस,
मैम एंड्स भी नीचे रहते हैं।
many are there, many insects are there like that. So these are the few examples. Okay, so हम बाहर जाते हैं, बाहर की तरफ भागते हैं, because पानी अंदर भर रहा है, तो definitely we need to have some air to breathe, right? तो बाहर की तरफ भागेंगे हम अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, कि हम कहीं उस, because they are very small, ants are also very small, so इनको तो छुपना ही होता है। That is why you must have seen in the lesson, you must have observed ants where they hid under the flower pot. नहीं तो पानी में तो बह के चली जाएगी, वो डाई हो जाएगी। Yes or no?
यस मैम।
तो इसीलिए ये दोनों या फिर इस तरह के जो भी एनिमल्स जो ग्राउंड में रहते हैं अर्थ सरफेस पे, जो थोड़ा सा थोड़ी सी अंदर ही सरफेस पे रहते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा होल पे, डीप होल पे, तो दैट इज ओके, बट डेफिनेटली दोज हु आर स्टेइंग अंडर द ग्राउंड, डेफिनेटली दे कम आउट। यू मस्ट हैव सीन स्नेक्स आल्सो कमिंग आउट इन रेनी सीजन्स। देखा है आपने?
यस मैम, मेरे गार्डन में आया था एक बार।
हाँ, तो रेनी सीजन में ही देखा होगा मोस्टली। आप बहुत सारे स्नेक्स आपको रेनी सीजन में कहीं ना कहीं दिख जाते हैं। ओके,
यस
so
मैम।
like this is the reason. So let's read the answer. Snails and earthworms live deep under the surface of the earth. So whenever it rains, their house gets wet. It is because of which they have to come over the surface on the ground to find place to live and food to eat. तो जो उनका फूड होगा वो भी स्पॉइल हो जाएगा अंदर, है ना? और उनको भी सफोकेशन होगा, मतलब उनको भी फ्रेश एयर ब्रीथ करने के लिए बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. दे मस्ट लुक फॉर सम अदर लोकेशन टू लिव इन. ठीक है, तो वो कहीं और, इसीलिए वो जनरली बारिश के ही मौसम में बाहर निकलते हैं. फिर वो कोई सेफ जगह ढूंढते हैं और वहां छुप जाते हैं. So I hope you have understood this. And whenever you see earthworms, ants, तो आपको इनको ऑब्जर्व भी करना है, क्योंकि ये हार्म नहीं करते किसी को, है ना? आप देखते होगे, आपको अच्छा लगता है चींटियों को ऑब्जर्व करना?
यस मैम, बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yes. So, okay, so this was from today's, yeah, we have one more to do. Let's write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box, okay? So these are the prepositions. First, you have to see this cat, where it is. You have to see the place. The cat is jumping dash the ball. पहले आप बताइए कहाँ से जंप कर रही है दिस कैट?
मैम वॉल के ऊपर से.
ऊपर से, राइट. सो फर्स्ट वील डिस्कस दीज वर्ड्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स, राइट? इन मीन्स अंदर से, ठीक है? ऑन मीन्स किसी के जस्ट ऊपर.
ऊपर.
ऊपर. अंडर मीन्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के नीचे, उसको टच नहीं करेगी वो, बट उसके नीचे छुपी, जैसे हम अंदर द टेबल छुप जाते हैं ना, वैसे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, behind means suppose this is somebody and I am standing behind. Okay, तो मैं इसके पीछे हूँ. I am behind the book. Can you see me? Yes.
आप छुप रहे हो.
हाँ, so I am behind the book. Okay, so behind मतलब पीछे. And over. Over means this book is a wall and this phone is jumping over the phone. ऐसे ऊपर से ऐसे छलांग लगा के आ रहा है, इसको टच नहीं कर रहा है, पर ऊपर से जंप करके आ रहा है. So this cat is doing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what will be the preposition here, children?
Ma'am,
Over.
over.
Yeah. So we'll use pen here and I'll write one here. Okay. So this is for one, over. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So the cat jumped over the wall. Yes. Let's see next one. The cat is dash the box. Now you can see a box and cat
In the box.
box. Where इसके अंदर है. So we will write here in the box. So this
In the
will
box.
be number 2. In the box. Yes. We can write here in because it's a small letter word. Yeah. Now the cat is dash the door. कहाँ छुपी हुई है वो डोर के?
Ma'am, behind the door. पीछे.
Behind the door. Yes. Yes. Maybe किसी को डराने के लिए. कभी-कभी आप भी छुपते हो behind the door?
Yes, ma'am.
When you're playing with your siblings or your friends, right?
Yes.
Yes. So it is behind the door. Now the cat is dash the stool. Stool के कहाँ है वो?
Under the
Yes.
stool.
So under the stool. आपको दिख रहा है कि वो छुपी हुई है नीचे, है ना? So for that we use under.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this cat is nicely sitting on some suitcase. See? Yes. So the cat is dash the suitcase.
Ma'am, on the suitcase.
Yes. So when it is touching, when any object is touching the surface of other object, then it will be on. और upper side में है, ऊपर की तरफ है, तो we use on for that. So the cat is on the suitcase.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is given in your textbook, children. You can do it in your textbook. No need to write in the notebook. Just do it in your textbook. Okay. And those who does not have it, so they can do in notebook. Okay. So this was from today's class, children. Thank you very much, and hope you like the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any question to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So That's all, children. We'll meet in the next video. Okay. So at
Yes,
the end, we'll do Shanti part.
yes, ma'am.
So join your hand. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next video. Take care.
Sai Ram,
Sairam.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Sairam.